Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss home remedies related to tooth pain or toothache. While the severity of the tooth pain is very high, the typical feature of tooth pain is it occurs usually at night time when there is no availability of any doctor. Usually the hospitals and clinics are off at the night time. So what should we do in severe pain at home? We will discuss in detail in today's videos. If you are new to the channel, kindly like, subscribe and share the channel so that further information will be delivered to you. Tooth pain or toothache is a great misery, and in addition, while you are at home, you will be in a big trouble as you have nothing to do with this pain. So we will discuss one by one what can we do at home. Number one, use of painkiller tablet. Very common and very safe to our stomach, our kidneys and other body parts is paracetamol. A very common tablet worldwide, easily available, very cheap and very safe, and you can easily use it for tooth pain. So while you are at home, you can take one tablet of paracetamol. While you are not allergic to this medicine, you can easily take this tablet so that the severity of pain can be reduced. Number two, second thing, a very common thing which is easily available in your kitchen, and that is clove oil or simple cloves. If clove oil is available in your kitchen, you need only one thing in addition, that is cotton. Use a small cotton ball and dip it slightly in the clove oil and place it in the tooth cavity, and you will get immediate pain relief. While you have no clove oil in the home, you can use pure cloves. Just put one piece of clove in your tooth cavity and bite over it. You can easily get pain relief from the anodyne effect or painkiller effect of the cloves. Third thing, very old way of reducing tooth pain is hot saline rinses. How can you use this method? Use half glass semi-hot or lukewarm water. Place half teaspoon of salt in it, mix it and place it in the mouth. If your tooth which is which having cavity is on the left side, then tilt your neck toward the left side and move the solution over it. You will get relief in pain in few minutes. So this is the easy way of getting pain relief at home. Number fourth, if there is pain and in addition swelling on the left side, you can use cold packs or cold compresses. Just open your freezer and pick some ice cubes and wrap in a cloth and just place over the affected area of swelling. Place for just 1 to 2 minutes and then remove it, and then again place for 1 to 2 minutes and then give a break, and repeat this procedure for 15 minutes. The swelling will be reduced after that. And the fifth very important home remedy is elevation of your head. Usually, like I talked in the start, I discussed in the beginning of the video, the tooth pain usually start at night time. When we lie at our bed, the circulation move from our legs towards our head increase and the pressure in the tooth pulp cavity increases and ultimately increases the severity of the pain. So when we place two or three pillows below our head, we are elevating the level of our head and ultimately reducing the blood circulation towards the head, and final result is reduction in our pain severity. So these are the temporary methods of pain relief at home. Of course, after next day you will see your dentist at his or her office or hospital to get proper treatment of the tooth, that is root canal treatment or extraction of that particular tooth. One thing is very important. The things I told you is related to the pain relieving, and these are basically do's of the procedure. Other things are do not, which you must avoid while you are in tooth pain. These two things are: number one, never apply hot packs over the swelled areas, as it will increase the swelling and pain in your affected tooth. Second thing is never apply painkiller ointments, which we usually use in our when we feel the pain in our back, shoulders, or different areas of our body. We use different painkiller ointments. But while you are suffering from tooth pain and swelling, never use these ointments because it will increase your swelling and pain in the affected tooth. So, in briefly, the summary of the today video is number one, what should you do? Number one, take paracetamol tablet. Number two, use clovile or pure clove. Number three, horse line rinses. Number four, apply ice pack over the swelling. And number fifth, place two or three pillows before your head. And what should we don't do it while having the toothache or tooth pain? Number one, never apply hot packs over the swelling or having the toothache. And second, never apply painkiller or analgesic ointment over the affected area. Hopefully, today video will be helpful to you while you are at home with severe toothache. So kindly share my channel more and more so that further information will be spread to all the people, and any question related to this video can be asked in the comment box. Thank you.